It's pretty frustrating to not be able to update the blog page in WordPress. But the good news is that I'm going to help you fix it in a couple of minutes. I'm Victor from divimundo.com. Let's get started. Regardless of what page builder you're using, it will probably go something like this. You're heading to your pages and you see your news or your blog page and you click it to edit. And I've used the Divi Builder for this particular one. And it says you are currently editing the page that shows your latest posts. So I click edit with the Divi Builder, but now I just see a default template and I can't edit it and it doesn't look anything like how I designed it. If I click edit page up here, I'm just back at the same view that I saw before. So I'm in a loop, something like the Groundhog Day. But luckily, this is easy to fix. So let's do that. We'll head back to the WordPress dashboard and pages. And now you will probably see a text to the right of your news or your blog page saying post page. And this is a hint where the problem lies. To fix this, we're going to settings and reading. And from here, you can see that you have assigned a posts page in your settings. This means that there have to be a template to display the blog post page. So if I choose select up here, that's the same thing as none. And I say I can go back to my pages, to the news page. And now you don't see the text here that you are editing your posts page. If I click edit with the Divi Builder or any other page builder for that sake, I see my much more nicer design here and I can actually edit it just by clicking and typing and dragging and dropping. So the Groundhog Day loop is over. So that's the quick way of fixing the issue. The more complex way would be to keep the settings and actually assign a default blog page or posts page here, like the news. And the next step that you have to do in order to edit the design of your blog page would be to create a template. And that can be done in different ways. If you're using Divi, you have the Divi theme builder. And I know that there are similar functionality in Elementor and in other page builders and themes. You could also use custom code in order to achieve this. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you in any way. And subscribe for more tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching.